This is using active expressions and active votes. In our district, we have two different types of responders. The first type is an active expression. All 1st through 8th grade classrooms have a classroom set. Currently, MacArthur High School has sets in the classroom until they are moving into their newly renovated high school. The kindergarten classrooms also have a classroom set of active votes in each room. The voting browser. The voting browser is going to allow you to manage your responders and view and export data. So let's take a look of how we can look at our voting browser. So we need to go to View, Browser, and then to manage our responders, make sure that you have clicked on the correct device you're using. So if my hub has registered to Active Expressions, then I need to make sure I have clicked Active Expressions here. If my hub is registered to Active Vote, make sure you've clicked Active Vote. I also can export my data if I've saved the data in my flip chart. So when you open your browser, it will look like this. All you need to do is click on the plus sign to see if there's results, and I have 2 results here. I can do 2 of one things. I can actually just look at the data by clicking on the data itself, the timestamp. Click on this icon, and I can actually view the results. Or I can export all of the data into an Excel file. So I'm going to call this results 1, and I'm saving it to my documents, and then I can go back and I can find my results in my documents and pull up that Excel spreadsheet. There are 3 types of questions I'm going to cover today. The first type is on the fly. The second type is questions on a page. And the third type is self-paced. Please keep in mind that self-paced only works with active expressions. Questions on the fly. Often teachers want to ask spontaneous questions in the middle of a lesson. They can use the responders to help facilitate this. They simply just need to launch the Express poll. The Express poll is the circle with the blue question mark. So you click it, and then you get this icon. You have all of these choices for the Express poll for the active expressions. You have numbered question, text question, multiple choice, sort and order, true, false, or Likert scale. For the active vote, you're only going to have the choice of multiple choice and true, false. So to close this Express poll, all you have to do is click the gear and then the red X. Questions on the fly are also really great to use with existing programs such as BrainPop, BrainPop Junior, and Envision. I'm going to demonstrate that for you right now. So the first thing I need to do is click on my desktop tools on my toolbar. That is it looks like a screen with a hammer and a wrench. So it's right here on my screen, and I'm going to click that, and what's going to happen is I'm going to see a BrainPop quiz underneath of my Promethean flip chart. So now I still have some access to my desktop tools. The one that I'm going to be using right now is the Express poll. So all I need to do is, again, click the Express poll, and here I have then my Express poll. So I can launch this, and again, I would want to use ABC, I mean the multiple choice, and since there are 4 choices, I would choose A through D, and there's only one correct answer. So I would click that, and then my 3 responders that I have activated on this hub their choices would show up. So I'm going to have my participants make their choices. And they're all done. So we have some varying answers. So what I can do is I can actually go in, and we can talk about this as a class, but I can actually go in and I can choose the correct answer because if I want to save this for data. So all I did was click the ABC in the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to say the right answer is A and click Done. So again, that was the AB. I chose the right answer as A, and then I clicked Done. So now I know that this is the correct answer. Now I want to go back to my flip chart. So I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to go back to my flip chart. So I'm going to get rid of my Express poll, and I'm going to come back over here to my desktop tools and click on Promethean. Now you may be wondering where's my data for that question that we just did. Remember, go to View, Browser, and click on your active expression or your voting browser. Then come down here to your Results Browser Promethean Responder. There is my result that we just did. So I can open that, and here's the same result. So it's saved within my flip chart. Now remember, another key point is multiple choice and true false is the only option for active votes.